How to change your Gmail password step by step. Changing your Gmail password is quick and important for keeping your account secure. First, open Gmail on your desktop, click your profile picture in the top right, then select Manage your Google account. From there, go to Security tab. Scroll down until you see Signing in to Google and click Password. You'll be asked to re-enter your current password to verify it's really you. After that, type in your new password and make sure it's strong with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then confirm it by typing it again. Click Change Password to finish. Your Gmail is now updated with a new password, and you'll be signed out of other devices for security. It's a small habit to change your password regularly, especially if you use it multiple accounts. It's a smart habit to change your password regularly, especially if you use it multiple accounts. It's a sm- it's a small habit to change your password regularly, especially if you use it on multiple accounts. So that's it.